If you are just starting out with cooking and want to know which kitchen tools you need, here's a good list to begin. First, you need a set of quality knives. You need at least one chef knife, a paring knife, a slicer, and a serrated bread knife. The chef's knife is the most important one. It can be used for anything from slicing onions, chopping herbs, cutting meat, and crushing garlic. The most popular knives are made in German or Japanese tradition. If you spend $50 on a chef's knife, you will be good for a long time. A plastic or wooden cutting board. Stay away from metal, glass, or stone cutting boards, as they will ruin your knives. A set of cooking pots and pans. Just as with knives, there are many sizes in different prices. Again, there's no need to buy the most expensive pots if you are a beginner. You can get an entire set of good pots and pans for a decent price to satisfy most basic cooking needs. A cooking pot for soups and stock, and a medium-sized frying pan, are basic components. You can also buy a muffin pan, a cookie sheet, a round cake pan, and a rectangular pan. An instant read thermometer. A set of bowls in plastic or glass, in various sizes, because most recipes require mixing several products. A set of different sized spatulas. These can be simple rubber spatulas or the more expensive silicone ones to mix ingredients and scrape bowls. Some wooden spoons. They are relatively inexpensive, and if cleaned properly, they will last for a long time. A pair of tongs and a turner. An electric mixer. If you can afford it, you can buy a thermoblender. These can be used for anything like sauces, stews, desserts, or even bread. But a regular mixer will do just as well. A metal or plastic whisk to make sauces. A ladle, a slotted spoon, and a regular spoon for stirring and serving food. If you have most of these things, you're in good shape. Honestly, all you really need to do some serious cooking are a few pots and pans, a cutting board, and a sharp knife. The rest will make the job easier, but remember, don't break the bank. You can slowly build up your cooking and baking supplies as time goes on, as you become more familiar with what you need. If you need cooking inspiration, check out my chef recipes at home blog, or follow me on Instagram, YouTube, or Facebook. Happy cooking!